The event of Ngizwe Mchunu, the president of the Bhinqa Nation, was a disaster. Not so many people showed up in his event. Instead, Amabhinqa and Amabutho decided to attend the rally of the Umkhonto weSizwe Party at Orlando Stadium in Soweto. A lot of people shared videos of Mchunu's event, and it was so sad to watch. People were laughing at him. Others insulted him for trying to sabotage the rally of the Umkhonto weSizwe Party, the People's Mandate. And indeed, people rejected Ngizwe. The Orlando Stadium was full. The MK supporters insulted Ngizwe Mchunu to all social media platforms. Some insulted him on TikTok, calling him a dog for being a sellout. Ngizwe was the main agenda and they really cooked him. The EFF members also said the Bhinqa Nation said nothing when he was also trying to sabotage the EFF manifesto launch in February this year. The manifesto was held at Moses Mabhida Stadium. Unfortunately, his plan failed dismally. People filled up the Moses Mabhida Stadium. People also reacted on the X app, calling Ngizwe isitibhili, one road. KZN ayifikanga egalelekile. I'm sure isitibhili sungizwe kuthi asife. Another one said, Ngizwe has lost isupport yamabhinqa. Into abamthuka yona lapha ekhasini lakhe ngiyaqala ukuyibona yenzeka kuye selokhu ngamazi. Indaba esuka lapha ekudeleleni uZuma waphinde wamemezela umcimbi azomaka ngawo imanifesto ye-MK azowenza nge-18 May awubiza ngembizo yamabhinqa. Another one tweeted, at his disastrous event today, Ngizwe seemingly retracted his previous statements against Jacob Zuma and said, angixabene mina noNxamalala njengoba enze umcimbi wakhe omkhulu nami nginaye ngokomoya njengoba ngilana ngiyameseka uyohlezi engubaba wami phambili ngoNxamalala phambili. Another one said, the Umkhonto weSizwe Party is not even a year old and yet it has filled the whole Orlando Stadium. Talk about the power of President Jacob Zuma. He is surely the most influential politician in South Africa. No Ngizwe or the ANC can stop us getting 2/3 majority come 29 May 2024. Another one said, Ngizwe is washed out, garners no support from the Bhinqa people and has no backbone. He's just a hustler. Anyone who still believes anything he says is as spineless as he is. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.